I hope you have watched the first video in the color video series. In this second video, we will identify the basic concepts of color theory. Remember when you were in school, you learned that colors are divided into two parts, called primary and secondary? Primary colors: red, blue, and yellow, in different ways. All other colors can be obtained by mixing these three colors. Keep in mind that mixing all these three colors, red, blue, and yellow, gives a dark brown color. Secondary colors: orange, green, and purple are the secondary colors. If you remember those things about color, be happy that you already have some knowledge of color theory. Let's mix primary colors. Mixing red and yellow make orange. Mixing blue and yellow make green. Mixing blue and red make purple. That's how secondary colors are made of. What will happen if you mix a primary color with a secondary color? Red mixed with orange, you'll get the color reddish-orange. Yellow mixed with orange, you'll get the color yellowish-orange. Yellow mixed with green, you'll get the color yellowish-green. Blue mixed with green, you'll get the color bluish-green. Blue mixed with purple, you'll get the color bluish-purple. Red mixed with purple, you'll get the color reddish-purple. These colors are called tertiary colors. Did you notice a wheel? We call that wheel the color wheel. Now you understand why it was called the color wheel. I hope that you have gained a basic understanding of color from this video on color. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like to receive a notification as soon as I upload a new video, then click bell icon next to the subscribe button. In the next video, we will talk more about colors. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.